Welcome to Sujatha Ma'am's classroom. To teach children, to reach children. Joy of learning.
Have you ever pondered how the most abundant element in the universe came to be discovered here on Earth? Welcome to this journey through the history of hydrogen, the first and simplest element on the periodic table. Our story begins in the early 17th century with a famed alchemist, Paracelsus. Paracelsus noticed an unusual gas when he mixed metals with strong acids. However, he did not identify this as a separate element. Fast forward to the mid-18th century, and we meet the man who is often credited with the discovery of hydrogen, Henry Cavendish. In 1766, Cavendish was experimenting with acids and metals just like Paracelsus. But unlike Paracelsus, Cavendish noticed that the gas produced was lighter than air and caused a violent reaction when introduced to a flame. He called this gas inflammable air. In the year 1781, Cavendish made a revolutionary discovery. He found out that when this inflammable air was combined with oxygen and ignited, it produced water. This was a groundbreaking revelation that laid the foundation for the chemical understanding of water. Yet, it was not until 1787 that the gas Cavendish discovered was named hydrogen. The credit for this goes to Antoine Levoiser, the French chemist known as the father of modern chemistry. The term hydrogen comes from the Greek words hydro, meaning water, and genes, meaning creator, signifying its ability to create water when burned in the presence of oxygen. Now, leapfrogging to the early 20th century, the understanding of hydrogen took a quantum leap. Scientists like Niels Bohr and Ernest Rutherford delved into the atomic structure, revealing that hydrogen with its single electron and proton was the simplest of all elements. This discovery led to the development of quantum mechanics and the 20th century understanding of chemical bonding, which revolutionized the field of chemistry and physics. It also paved the way for the discovery of the hydrogen isotopes deuterium and tritium during the 1930s. Fast forward to the 21st century, and hydrogen is now at the forefront of sustainable energy solutions. Its potential as a clean, renewable source of energy is being harnessed to tackle the global energy crisis and climate change. To summarize, the history of hydrogen is a fascinating tale that spans centuries and continents. From Paracelsus's initial observations to Cavendish's inflammable air, Lavoisier's naming of hydrogen, and the 20th century revelations about its atomic structure. Each discovery has fundamentally reshaped our understanding of this abundant element. And now, in the 21st century, hydrogen is leading the charge towards a more sustainable future. This journey through the history of hydrogen is a testament to the power of human curiosity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. It highlights the remarkable ways in which understanding the fundamental elements of our universe can lead to transformative breakthroughs. So, the next time you sip a glass of water or marvel at the stars, remember the incredible journey of hydrogen, from an inflammable air to a beacon of hope for a sustainable future.